Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on resolving the battery not charging issue with the MSI MS16R1 laptop. In this guide, we will walk you through the essential steps to diagnose and possibly fix the problem. Let's begin. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and some compressed air for cleaning. Ensure that you have a clean workspace where you can safely handle the laptop components. Step 1, Preliminary Checks. Start by checking the power adapter. Make sure it's plugged in and the LED indicator is lit. If the light is off, there may be an issue with the adapter itself. You can use a multimeter to test the output voltage of the adapter. If it's not providing the correct voltage, consider replacing it. Step 2, Inspect the battery. Next, turn off the laptop and disconnect the power adapter. Remove the battery by unscrewing the screws that secure it in place. Once removed, visually inspect the battery for any signs of swelling or damage. If you notice any, it's best to replace the battery. If not, use the multimeter to check the battery voltage. If it's significantly below the rated voltage, the battery may need replacement as well. Step 3, Clean the internals. While you have the laptop open, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and other areas. Dust buildup can cause overheating, which could affect battery performance. Make sure to do this carefully, avoiding any direct contact with the components. Step 4, Check charging ports. Inspect the charging port on the laptop. Look for any debris or damage that might prevent a good connection. Gently clean the port with a soft brush or compressed air. If the port appears damaged, it may need to be replaced. Step 5, Reassemble and test. After checking the battery and cleaning the internals, reassemble the laptop. Insert the battery back into its compartment and screw it in place. Connect the power adapter and turn on your laptop. Check if the battery is charging now. If you followed all these steps and your MSI MS16R1 is still not charging, it might indicate a deeper hardware issue. In this case, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you don't have the tools or expertise to perform these checks, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. This means no calls, no travel, and you can get a quote before repair, making it hassle-free. Conclusion. In summary, troubleshooting the battery not charging issue on your MSI MS16R1 involves checking the power adapter, inspecting the battery, cleaning the internals, and ensuring the charging port is clear. If you're still experiencing problems, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide assists you in getting your laptop back to optimal performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.